Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott new front air strut for the Tesla Model S 5YJS with all-wheel drive. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by releasing and lifting the front trunk lid to remove the interior panels. Remove the applicable air line from the strut. Also remove the old air fitting and discard it. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Next, remove the 3 top mount nuts, raise the vehicle, and remove the applicable front wheel. Now remove the clevis mount bolt. Continue by removing the bottom strut mount bolt and nut. Then remove the old air strut from the clevis mount and remove it from the vehicle. The removal is now complete. Now install the new Arnott air strut into the vehicle. Ensure the strut's bottom mount is seated correctly in the clevis mount. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts according to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Next, install the clevis mount bolt. Install the bottom shock mount nut and bolt and reinstall the 3 top mount nuts. Now remove the white shipping pin from the strut's air fitting and install the air line by pushing the line into the air fitting until it is firmly seated. Continue by installing the front trunk interior panels, reinstalling the applicable front wheel, and then lowering the vehicle until the wheels touch the ground. Start the vehicle and allow the strut to inflate. After the strut is inflated, lower the vehicle completely to finish the installation process. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the front air strut of a Tesla Model S 5YJS with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.